you see the flower because they want them to be happy. Can you bump again the frog on the sea?
Yes.
Wow, amazing. Me, I don't have frog like that toy. I really should buy, but it's really expensive. I don't have any money to buy it. Will you fix that car? Why? How did you fix it? Whee! Rumi Kaloo! Where's the time? Where's the time? Can you play games? Can you
No, no.
teach me that? No? Maybe later.
Yeah.
When I was still in your house. Yeah, I don't know to play that game. I might talk to the cars. Oh wait. Mama, I don't know to play the car game. Well, you should teach me how to play it. I will have an accident. Because I don't know how to play it. Where is that? What's happened to that? You have coins! 3 coins! Many coins! I want to see the number into the coin.
Huh?
Number 2 coin.
That's centavo, not a coin.
I want to see. I want to learn that. I cannot touch it. What? Help me! Help me, driver! What?
No, that's socket of seatbelt.
It should be fixed. What touch me? You? Why? No, I will not. You relax. Relax. You know the name of my dog is Sachiko.
Huh?
Sachiko.
Sachiko?
Yeah, the name of my dog. Auntie gave me that because I love pets. How about you? What's the name of your pet?
Aki.
Aki?
Yeah.
You have a cat?
No?
Dog?
Dog.
Mama!
One dog.
What's the name of your dog again?
Aki.
Huh?
Aki.
Achi?
Aki.
Achi. Aki? Well, I love your name of your dog, Aki.
Yeah.
You have a big dog. Me, I have a big Buchoy and also Bella. That's the name of my 2 dogs. They can bite me. They're so big and tall like you. You're short. My dog is really big and higher than you. Your dog is small than my big giant dog. It's Bella and Buchoy. Yeah, they can actually bite me. Yeah, you're stronger than you. I don't care if you cry.
Big dog.
Yeah, big dog. Buchoy and Bella. That's the name of my dog. How about the name of your cat? I got cat. You know like 2 cats? You're short and my Buchoy and Bella, they're big. You know, the animals. You know, my cat took 1 cat died and into heaven already, far away. So I only have Buchoy and Bella, Isabella. not good, Pat. He always play with me. Then my mom take a bath with my butcher and Bella. You know, if you take my dog, they can bite you. But you should actually take care.
Take care.
Take care of animals. You know, mama's friend, they love animals. They don't kick. That's why you should listen to my buddies. My mom told me you should not kick some dogs. So you actually
If you kick the dog, he'll bite you.
no, if you kick the dog, they will bite you. You try to kick the Bella. Then you will have blood like me. Like me, I can scratch. Because Sachi, he scratched me. I was not pay attention to Sachi. But I don't do anything. I just take care. Look, it's moving. Look. I'm so tired. Rabbit. Run. Rabbit.
Diretso lang, oh.
Boom! Oh! Rabbit! Funny! Rabbit!
Tapos,
Kaliwa po.
kaliwa. Dito?
Be careful. Don't go there. Tapos kanan.
Do you know how to speak Tagalog?
Oo.
Oh.
Ilu. Kilit. Kilit. Tapos kanan. Kaliwa.
Kanan.
Kanan. Kanan po.
Kanan po.
Kanan po. Kaliwa. Kaliwa. Kaliwa.
And then,
Kaliwa.
kanan.
Kaliwa. Kanan. Kaliwa. Tapos diretso.
Diretso.
Tapos gilid. Gilid po. Gilid.
Gilid.
Oo.
Wala na, bangga ka na papinilig.
Gilid.
Gilid.
Yeah.
Tapos papasok ka sa kanila.
Kaliwa po. Kaliwa.
Dito lang.
Turn off it. I-ano mo.
Ay, sige.
I-turn, ano ba ito?
1, 2, 3.
Turn on. Turn on. Appointment. Turn on. Appointment.
Turn on.
Sweep. Can you sweep? Can you try to sweep it? That one.
Yun, ngay, ti-tres ko ma'am.
Awon iti po na po.
Bali,
Can you sweep it?
90,
Like that?
93 ma'am.
3.
Can you sweep that one?
Yeah.
That one.
This?
Yeah.
No, the wiper.
I want to see how you do it. I want to
No,
see.
it should be wet.
Look, it's getting wet now. It's getting wet. You rub that one. Rub the
Gigilid pa
butterfly.
lang ma'am.
You rub,
Sige,
rub.
gilid mo.
You rub that butterfly. Rub. Rub the butterfly here. That one. Right. Rub. You rub the butterfly.
Huh?
Rub the butterfly because they will go here. Rub.
This one? No, this is not butterfly.
No, out there, out.
That's
They're
a
out.
leaves.
You sweep.
Mhm.
Yeah, that one. You sweep it. Sweep. Yeah. It dies already. It's a sweeper.
Yes.
Wait, what's that for?
That's for window. Like that.
For the window to close? To open? Close?
Open.
Close? Ah.
Timin lang po.
Ow.
Okay na.
Thank you. Okay, thank you.
Ano, hindi ko yata masarap ito.
Ay, ganyan lang talaga yun.
Ay, ganyan talaga yan.
Nag-ano na siya. Gusto nang mapalitan.
Mapalitan.
Thank you, Sophia. Bye-bye.
Oh, that's so heavy. Ah. Also,
Babalik mo i-start mo working.
Sige, ma'am. Ang kulit. Ang gusto niya. Sige lang.